A little bit more. Gotta get another cup full. Okay. You're right. And now, in there. Okay. Now we're gonna take a cup of sand.
Cup of sand.
Yeah. And we're gonna put that in there. Okay. Ooh, I forgot it had holes in it. Okay. Okay, come over here. Come back over here. Bring your sand.
Sand.
This. You gotta mix it together. Just mix the sand in. Yep. Here we go. We gotta go get some more compost. Go get me some more compost.
I gotta get some sand.
Get the cup.
Okay.
A little bit more. Fill it up. Okay, good job. Hold on, stay there. Give me some more.
More.
Yes. You stay over there. And I'll stay over here. And don't get everything on the floor. Put it in the cup. Put some more in the cup. All right, good job. Thank you. Okay. And we're going to come up back over here. We got it all mixed up in here. Shalom, family. It's your sister Jay with a garden update. I've been working all day on this bed, and I finally got completed what I was going to get completed. But I got my carrots up there. You see that stick? Yeah, I have carrots here, and I have bunching onion here, and that's garlic that I planted last year that I trimmed, and now it's coming up. And I'm planting some more garlic over there. It probably won't be ready this year. It'll probably stop by fall, but these should be okay for the season. But they're coming up, and there's some more popping up over there. But all of these are planted together, and I finally got finished with this. And like I said, I gotta tackle that one tomorrow. And then it's that one. Oh my goodness. And I'll finish that soon. And I did get part of the coop ready. My dog, my neighbor's dog, don't like me today. But that's all for the garden update. I'll keep you posted on more to come. Take care of each other and stay healthy, eating foods from the Most High. Until next time, shalom.